Hello, my name is Colton Osler, and this is my CS50 Final Project Golf GPS. So the goal of this project and this application I developed is, as a golfer, we want to know the distance between ourselves and the hole we're shooting towards. So are we 100 yards? Are we 150 yards? Are we 200 yards? That information is going to be vital for us to pick the right club and hit the best shot that we can. So generally speaking, rangefinders can be used for this. The problem is they're generally expensive, range anywhere from 150 to $600. They take batteries that are CR2 type, so they're not as common. And I don't know how many times I went to the store, could not find that type of battery, so they're a little bit annoying to find. And then the third is that we need line of sight. So if we're behind a tree or if we can't see our target, we're not going to be able to get the distance to that target. So the application I developed is an Android application. The screens kind of look like this. I'll show a demo in just a second, but essentially it's going to give us the distance to the center, the back, and the front of the hole that we've selected on the course we've selected. So the technologies that are implemented in this project, it's a React Native Android application. So it's created using the React Native CLI. It is the backend is a Google Cloud Firestore. So Google Cloud Firestore is a backend as a service. It's a NoSQL document database. So not a relational database, but it allows us to use maps and other things in that to get the data, which I implemented. And then lastly is the React Native geolocation library, which is a third-party library that just simplifies some of the access to the Android geolocation services that I use. Now, to briefly demonstrate the capabilities of the application, I have an emulator here on my computer where I have the golf courses that are in my database. So let's go ahead and select CoView Golf Course. And here on the right, with the emulator, you can set your location anywhere. So I have it set next to CoView Golf Course. And essentially, it's pretty simple from here. Wherever your location is from your phone, we're going to be getting the distance to the center of the selected hole. So right now I'm on the first hole. As you can see, as I move my location a little bit, you're going to see the location update on the left. So we're getting closer, and you can switch from hole 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and as you play your round of golf, you're going to be able to have those distances throughout the round. So that's the purpose of the app, and this is my final project for CS50.